Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning cropping in Adobe Photoshop. So, what is the cropping in Adobe Photoshop? Cropping in Adobe Photoshop is the process of removing portion of a photo to create focus or strengthen the composition. You can take a look. Here is an image from our exercise file, and we will apply the crop tool to remove the portion from this image. So let me show you the exercise file. Here is the file menu. Here is the open option. Inside the exercise file, you will get this crop image. You just have to select it and then you have to click open. So this is the image, and you can take a look. We have two classes of juice in here, and we want to keep only the second glass and we don't want to keep the first glass. In previous, we learned about the content aware fill, and using the content aware fill, the size of image was same, but for this image we will remove this entire area or entire portion. So therefore we have to use the crop tool. So here is the crop tool. You just have to click inside the tool panel. Okay, and you can take a look. We got the pointer for removing the area. So we want to delete this entire area, or we want to remove this entire first glass area, and we will only keep the second glass. So let's select the area. Okay, we just only want to keep this area for this image, and we don't want to keep this first glass area. So we got the perfect frame, and here is the tick mark. You just have to click on this tick mark, or you can hit the enter button from your keyboard. Okay, cool. You can take a look. The first glass is removed and we only have the second glass. So this is how you will use the crop tool to remove any portion from an image in Adobe Photoshop. Suppose if you want to extend the area of image, and if you want to extend the area of image with a blank space, so you can paste any other image. So how you will do that? You can do that easily with the crop tool. So here is the crop tool, and we got the pointer, and I want to extend the area in right side, and I want to create a blank or a white space. So therefore we just have to extend the area of image, and you can take a look. We got the blank or a white space in here, and let me click the tick mark, or you can hit the enter button from your keyboard. Okay, cool, huh? So we got the white or blank space in here, and you can place or paste any image in this blank space. And in next lesson we are going to learn how to copy and paste image in Adobe Photoshop, and this is how you will extend the area of image in Adobe Photoshop using the crop tool. And right now we are going to learn an amazing thing that's called cropping with the content aware, and this is really amazing. Okay, let me close this crop image, and right now we have to open the exercise file once again. So here is the file menu, and here is the open up. Inside the exercise file you will get this content aware crop image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. So this is our image, and you can take a look. Three birds are flying in the sky. Suppose you want to extend the area of this image, but you don't want to keep the white or blank space for extended area. You want to cover the extended area with this sky background. So how you will do that? You can do that easily with the crop tool along with content aware. So let's start the process, and you can take a look. Here is the pointer of crop tool, and let me pull the area in right side till here, and you can take a look. We got the blank space, but we don't want to keep this blank space. We want to cover this extended area with the sky. So therefore you just have to make sure this content hour field is selected. So let me click on here, and you can take a look. Right now we have the content hour field selected, and then you have to click this tick mark. So let me click on this tick mark. Okay, you can take a look. The content hour fill in progress. Cool, huh? Magic. So you can take a look. We got the extended area covered with the background sky. So this is really amazing, and it's simply outstanding. So this is how you will extend the area of an image using the content hour fill along with the crop tool. So you learned lots of things in this tutorial: how to crop, how to extend the area of image with the blank space, and how to extend the area of image with the content hour fill. So let's have some practice and see you in next lesson.